So you're in math class and you're wondering, who came up with this ridiculous stuff and how is it even useful? Well, if we're being technical here, our whole entire universe is completely made up of mathematics. But at first glance, our world doesn't seem very mathematical at all. I mean, for example, your cat and dog. They don't have mathematical properties, do they? It has properties like cute and fluffy. But that cat plus everything in the world is made up of tiny, tiny particles like electrons and quarks. But these tiny particles don't have properties like the cat does, like fluffy and cute. But things like -1, 1/2, and 1, which in physics is just the electric charge, spin, and lepton number. But we could literally call these things anything, but they really just boil down to numbers, which of course are mathematical properties. And as far as anyone knows, these are the building blocks for everything around us in the universe, and they all have mathematical properties. This even goes deeper into space, where these particles lie, and for our instance, in our case, our space has 3 for 3 dimensions. So if space is mathematical, and everything in it as well, then I guess it's not totally insane to say that the entire universe is completely made up of mathematics. So if you just look out your window, you'll see nothing but math. Math everywhere. But why do our teachers and educators make us memorize these ridiculous math facts? Well, because they actually work outside of the textbook. I mean, you can take one of something and one of another, and you'll have two. There's so much consistency in the world, like Fibonacci sequence and electricity, and even gravity. Even the Bible, there is math to be found. Now, no, I am not talking about the numbers on the page or even the verses and chapters. I'm talking about the creator of this whole beautiful mathematical world. Every time you find different ways to solve a problem in math and still get the same exact answer, it's like God shouting, "I am faithful, I am still here." In Romans 1:20, it says, "For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature, have been very clearly seen and being understood from what has been made." So next time you're thinking about who came up with this ridiculous stuff and how is it even useful, think a little bit more and remember, God is consistent. Thank you.